In today's session, we're going to walk through setting up a new job. For the owner, the project manager and the area manager have the authority to add a new job. Additionally, there's a role called a job administrator, and that role can be provided to any individual that the owner desires. Further, the owner can also delegate job setup on blanket contracts to work groups so that they can set up their own jobs. To begin, we select Add New Job, and the new job wizard commences. Next, and begin entering our data. Enter our job number, pick our contract, which is going to bring in substantial information from the contract that we could modify. Give us a description of the job, our address, city, country, state comes in as defaults, our schedule. So we're going to fast track this job and say it's going to start in 14 days, and we want to complete it within 45 days. This billing information comes in from the contract and can be modified here, along with some billing information which can be modified here. We'll go next, and these are the roles for the owner. The only roles that are required are the project manager and the area manager. The area manager comes in with a default, and we're going to assign this to our project manager. Designer can be applied, and if it's left blank, the project manager has that role. So we're going to go ahead and give us a unique estimator here. Engineer, general foreman, rest of this information we can provide later. We'll go ahead and put our billing approver in this time and move on. We can now assign which work groups are going to have access to this job for bidding purposes. We don't want to do that right now, so we're going to defer that step until later, but it could be done here if you're only going to send it out to a single work group. Next, if we're using external organization personnel on our job, project managers or contract inspectors, they would be loaded here. Now we're going to pick our spec books. We're going to make this be a 161 kV job, and we finish. At this point, the next step would be to begin our design, and we'll pick up here in our next session.